Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You should begin by confirming your Apple ID and payment info because the store validates them before downloads. Once signed in, make sure your network is working. A slow or captive Wi-Fi blocks purchases. Next, quit the App Store app and restart your device to clear transient errors. These first actions remove common authentication and connectivity obstacles. If you see error messages, note the code so you can target the next steps accurately. Now you perform deeper fixes. Update the operating system because App Store compatibility often depends on OS patches. Once done, sign out of your Apple ID and sign back in to refresh authentication tokens and receipts. This resolves many purchase and download errors. If problems persist, reset network settings or switch DNS to a reliable resolver like 8 to bypass ISP issues. Make sure to test a small download between each change so you can identify which step fixed it. To finish, clear the App Store cache and verify device storage. Downloads fail when space is low, so free at least 500 MB. If that doesn't help, collect logs, note error codes, time, and network state, then contact Apple support. Provide those details so they can escalate. One key troubleshooting tip: if nothing works, create a test user on another device or user account to confirm whether the issue is account-specific versus device-specific. This narrows the fix quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.